Margaret's losing it.
No, the wine just kicked in.
She just got that.
For this.
Yeah.
She's stepping right in.
Oh, is that what I won? I won another prize.
Okay, got it now. I've been selected by Price Waterhouse to give you a little lead into the final top of the line award, the People's Choice Award.
The most prestigious.
It was unbelievable that I was right there when the votes were counted. I read off the numbers. It was tied. It was, honest to God, it was tied.
Really?
It was tied right at the end. Someone who remains nameless voted twice on one piece of paper. Their vote is the one that decided the winner, because we gave that silly person got 2 votes, but that decided the winner.
Whoa.
Whoever voted twice, you decided this whole thing.
Wow. Okay, you know who you are. How are you going to sleep tonight? Wait a minute. That's what
everybody voted
the
once.
ballot.
The person voted for 2 different casseroles.
Yeah, I think they should have been voided.
The last one,
she only got
a half a vote. We set this double vote aside, and it was tied at the end.
Oh, so can we do this over again? Everybody votes twice. That's what I'm going to do next time.
The winner is
Cheryl Gold.
Give her out. Give her out.
I voted 6 times. A bag.
I voted 7 or 8 times.
Shows that she thinks she's got enough of these.
Would you like to say a few words?
Absolutely.
Was that a casserole book?
Oh, that's what I need.
Sorry. No problem.
Caribbean for that recipe.
Blanford's restaurant.
I thought you were going to say Payless Deli.
They're fun.
And that concludes the awards.
I would like to thank.
No, at least thank her husband.
Mike, do you have anything to say?
Don't forget the Hollywood Foreign Press.
Let's give a hand to the host.
Yeah. Oh, yes, I'll let the host.
The music
choreographed by
No.
Land.
This is a marvelous party. Marvelous.
Spin class.
Yeah. Birthday next year.